Okay, let's give a look here. This is the pole pockets from Backcountry Joe Brewer over Backcountry Banter. This is what they look like. Initially, when I saw this, I thought it was some kind of mesh, but it looks like some kind of aerobic material that's see-through. And it's really slick, so it's not going to catch on anything. It's got two elastic cords on either. It's got one on either end with some cord locks, which was really cool. And that's kind of what I saw when he was kind of showing it off a little bit. But when I really took a close look at it and I turned it inside out to look at the stitches, by the way, the stitching is awesome. It's perfect stitching. But and excuse me, I'm trying to use this GoPro for the first time, doing this kind of thing, and it's got a little lag on me. But the coolest thing is these Velcro tabs on the top and the bottom. The coolest thing, and I think which is really cool, I was thinking ahead, is he put some silicone on it, so it makes it tacky, and it's on both of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the pole. I have a Cascade Mountain Tech pole that they're on sale over at Costco, so I bought another set. This one hasn't even been on the trail yet, so I thought I'd go ahead and install one of them on it. See how tough it is to do. Well, top one went quick. The bottom one, it looks like for this pole it might be a little long on it, which that's okay. I think these poles were like $29, so, and they're carbon fiber, which they're made in China, but you really can't go wrong with poles like this. I'm assuming I can put it all the way down on this, yeah. Whoop. To make sure I have it lined up right, and then Velcro it on there nice and tight. Okay, I'm kind of tugging on it, and it's not slipping from either direction. I'm going to go ahead and cinch up the bottom one. I hope you guys are seeing this. Okay, I'm going to cinch it up real good. Because what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put my lunch in there. Well, if it'll fit. Let's see. Got an avocado. These things probably weigh like a pound each. Yeah, that's if it'll fit. Of course, this isn't what I would carry in there. This is just a test. And I've got a tomato. This is what I had for lunch yesterday, and it was great, so I think I'm going to have it for lunch today too, with a little bit of salad. You don't even have to cinch that one up, but I don't know if you guys are getting this. Yeah, it's not having a problem with that at all. I don't know if you guys can see that. Alright, so you know you can at least put an avocado and a tomato in there. That gives you like a scale size on it. I don't plan on putting an avocado or a tomato in mine. It'll be something much lighter. One things I like to have on hand is, believe it or not, is some Kleenex for blowing my nose, because sometimes I get runny nose. Maybe a head bug net. They're really small and light, and they'll fit in here. Maybe even a lighter snack, like a bar or something, or some little pack of trail mix or something might fit in here. But that's the kind of thing I would use. So my initial impressions is I really like it. So there we go. Hope you guys have a great Memorial Day weekend coming up, and yeah, have a great time, and reflect on family that you may have lost due to their service in the armed forces. But thanks for watching, guys. If you like it, click the thumbs up, subscribe, share it, and if you do subscribe, don't forget to click the bell for a notification so you can get the next one. Alrighty, have a great one.